Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to register an account kay BNB Cash using your Trust Wallets. So make sure meron kayong enough balance na BNB. Okay, so minimum of 0.002 makakapag-register ka na. But I highly recommend para makapag-compounding strategy ka, dapat at least $60 worth of BNB para daily makapag-compounding tayo. So ito for demonstration purposes only. Kaya meron lang tayong $3.39 worth of BNB para maituro natin kung paano mag-register gamit ang Trust Wallet. So first, kunin mo na yung referral link. Alright, so once you have the referral link, balik ka na kay Trust Wallet and then click mo na yung Discover. Alright, so dito ngayon sa .url, i-paste mo lang yung kinapi na referral link and then click mo na yung go. Okay, so next na gagawin mo is click mo yung 3 dots dito sa taas and then click on Switch EVM Network. Then select mo na yung BNB Smartchain. So after that, pwede mo na i-connect yung wallet. Select mo yung Trust Wallet and click on Connect. So there you go, nakakonect na tayo. So the next thing is mag-stake na tayo, okay? So punta ka muna dito sa baba, makikita mo yung mga plans dyan. You can explore your dashboard. Ito yung referral link mo. And then dito makikita yung mga nagjo-join using your referral links. From level 1 up to level 10, kikita tayo ng percentage or commissions, okay? So, dito, pwede mo din i-click yung BNB icon na yan para makita mo yung lahat ng in and out transactions. Very transparent. Since this is a fully verified smart contract, pwede mo siyang i-check dyan. Okay? So, balik ka na ngayon sa taas and pwede na tayong mag-stake. Okay? So, again, make sure that you have enough BNB balance to cover the gas fee as well as your capital. So, I have 0.006. Ayan, type natin 0.006. So now, kung yan ay enough na, click mo na ngayon yung stake. Alright. So, sabi dito, you don't have enough BNB. So, ibig sabihin, kulang yung pang-gas fee natin. Kasi ang network fee is 38 cents in US dollars. So, ngayon, bawasan natin. Gawin natin 0.005. Okay, cancel muna yan. And then, bawasan mo siya. Gawin mo siyang 0.005. So, click mo na ulit yung stake. Ayan. So, ito mag-go through na to. Okay. Click on confirm. There you go. So, successful na siya, guys. And dito mo na makikita yung iyong investment or capital dito sa My Stats. Ayan, pumapatak na po yung BNB, nag-start na siya. So, you will earn 1.8% daily. At dito po, every time na mag-a-add ka ng stake, punta ka lang ulit dito sa profit calculator, dito sa enter stake amount. And type mo na kung magkano yung idadagdag mo. So, ma-add up lang siya dito sa total stake mo. And then, dito makita yung earnings mo sa kabilang side. So, ganun lang kasimple, guys. And if you want to apply the compounding, kailangan mo muna siyang i-withdraw. Click on withdraw button na to. And automatic, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng minuto or oras. Once na-click mo yung withdraw button, mapupunta na yun sa wallet mo. Okay? And no minimum withdraw amount. But make sure na aware tayo sa BNB gas fee. Okay, so once you click withdraw, mapupunta na siya sa wallet mo and then pwede ka na ulit mag-stake. Okay, so that's how you do the compounding and this is how you do the registration using your Trust Wallet. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and stay in my channel. Alright, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!